My name's Andrew Grester and we're at Waverley, which is in the Lower Namoi Valley. So this sensor here is a level sensor. It measures the height of the channel. It allows you to remotely monitor the channel from your mobile phone or your desktop computer or iPad. We get out of it instantaneous read of that level, but also historical data. This particular sensor runs through a Zigbee radio network. We've also got similar sensors that run on the 4G mobile telephone network. We've been using various level sensors at Waverley for about 4 or 5 years. This particular sensor is an ultrasonic sensor. Obviously all this technology has its good points and bad points, and I guess we've learnt the hard way what we like and what we don't like. There's a number of challenges. You've got to decide on what communications network you're going to operate with, decide whether you've got good mobile coverage and whether that mobile coverage may stretch down into the bottom of a deep tailwater return system. Other problems have been our particularly harsh environment, so some of the sensors just haven't been robust enough to stand up to the wind and the sun and the bugs and the frogs and dirt and the temperatures that we experience. So it's important to have good quality hardware and make sure it's installed well so wind and rain don't affect it. The other big challenge is training the staff up to get used to checking levels on their phone, but spend enough time and training on those things and you can overcome them all. When we first started into this, my sort of dream was to have one interface with all the level graphs on it in one place, one phone app. You push your button and it all comes up. But the reality is usually the sensor provider offers the interface, and we've ended up with a number of different interfaces. We've kind of got it down to one page of apps on your phone. For us, it's worth putting up with that inconvenience. The primary benefits have easily been a huge time saving, which also directly relates to vehicle wear and tear and kilometres. A lot of the time that you actually spend checking channels is purely that. You might spend half an hour travelling to a site and not do anything. There's an hour that you can do in 30 seconds on your mobile phone. It's a huge benefit. My advice would be to use really good quality hardware that's been field tested and proven, and then also be comfortable with the interface that goes with that particular piece of hardware. There's always budgetary constraints, but we've got to a point now where we've got all our key infrastructure sites monitored, all our tailwater return systems and our main supply channels. So it means that we can monitor pretty well all the irrigation systems on the farm remotely. Our next step into this, digital ag remote monitoring tech is probably more remote control. So we have a number of pump sites now that we can operate remotely from our phones, but not all of them. So that's probably where we'd like to go